some of the tomatoes has riped, so I'm plugging them now. If not, our fowl, once they see it now, they just come and they will just eat it. So it's better I plug it on ripe, then later on it will ripe. I can see another one here inside here. It's better I plug them on ripe before our fowl come here to eat them. I think these are the ones that are ripe. I got 5 pieces of tomatoes. We still have a lot of them. I don't know if you guys can see them. They are plenty. We still have a lot of them. Look at them over here. I'm even scared of this place. I don't know if you guys can see it. We have a lot of them. I think this one too is due. Let me just take it. We have 6 now. So guys, what is on the floor is moringa. Yes, my mom cut and sun-dried it. She wants to grind it in a powdered form. She'll be adding it to her food because this moringa has a lot of health benefits. It also cures diabetes, liver problem, heart diseases, and so much more. You guys should browse about moringa leaf and the health benefits. You guys will see it. So this is the tree we cut it from. We have like 5 trees of moringa, so this is it. Once the moringa leaf dries up, my mom will grind it and she will start adding it to all of her meals. Just add 1 spoon of it into her meals and eat it along, and it's so good. It's not bad. It doesn't taste bad at all, and I even tested it and it wasn't bad at all. This moringa leaf just have a lot of health benefits. You guys should try it out and see for yourselves. I just thought to share this with you butterflies.
You're whining your body, baby, so crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's saying.
Tomorrow for sure.
Fine girls. Ella, why you steal my style of scarf today?
I don't understand.
Our lolo. Una full lolo.
Lala, one of Officer everybody.
Hi guys, I'm done cooking. This is what I prepared. I prepared rice and beans with carrots and peas. Yeah, there is peas inside. Then I'll be having this cucumber, and I prepared this sweet red stew. This is the red stew. There's no meat inside though. There's no meat inside. I have egg, but I forgot to add egg when I was cooking my rice, so I'm very hungry, so no need of cooking the egg again. I'll just eat it like that. So guys, this is my Sunday food. I want to dish out my own now because I'm so hungry. We came back from church so late. We came back around 2. We went for church around 8 and we're coming back around 2. So I want to eat now. I'm done cooking. I'm sorry I did not show you guys. I not carry you guys through the process of cooking this rice and stew because I was so tired and hungry, so I did not film the cooking process for you guys. So guys, let's eat.
For sure. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
just some me time.